Hey, hello friends, I'm back with a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you a short review over YouTuber mic that a YouTuber may use for, because in the beginning time the YouTuber should looking for always a cheapest mic. So in this video I'm going to share my review on this mic, what I actually purchased that has been delivered to me actually today. This video will be a short review of this product, not an unboxing one. So hello friends, I'm Akash, you are watching Tech YouTuber, so don't wasting time, let's get started. So here, actually the product from Amazon, I purchased it. I will say the definite price in the description below, so let's check it out. And I will be giving a short review because nothing is to unbox it for. So let me open it first.
"2,000 years later."
Here you can see that here is a box. The condition is not too good. Okay, let me open it up. Let me see what is inside it. So here is the bag in which the mic is there. So let me slide it down and just to show you guys what is inside it. It is here. There is a membership card. You can see the branding here. So after card, there is extra jack with it. So let me first set it down and let me show you guys how it sounds to you. So guys, right now I'm doing this video with my mic. Please comment down below that how it sounds. It sounds good or bad. I will definitely give the link of this mic in the description below. Let's go check it out. At first, for the first beginners, they doesn't have too much money, so they can have some problems with this price range. So it will be our very cheapest mic for all YouTubers. So that was for this video. I hope you guys like this video. This was not like a regular video. It was just a review video for you guys, because I have purchased it from Amazon and just randomly do the video. And thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting, keep loving. Upcoming videos are coming. Make sure that you have thumbs up this video if you like it, and please guys, make sure that you have subscribed my channel, because in this time I need really very need of subscribers. So please subscribe this channel and please hit the notification bell that you can all receive my all videos. Upcoming interesting videos are coming, so stay tuned for this. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.